You can also see how there's different operations down here. So this is the thing to remember. A pocket is when you want to make like a hole of some kind in the material, right? It's like you're scooping stuff out. Then you've got facing. That's when you want to just like carve off the entire face of the thing. You've got profiling. That's when you want to go around the outside. So if you just remember pockets, faces, and profiles, you can cut out almost anything. So let's watch this little simulation here.
Can I see?
So this is one that you might use at the beginning of the job. Alright. So this is the mini mill that we're talking about. I'm actually going to fire this up and we'll see how we do tool changes.
What do you see that is similar about them? There's totally are some similarities.
Bottom, the slidey bits. The slidey bits.
Yeah, right? They're all built on these sort of same rails. They all have some sort of either a nozzle or a spindle or a laser head, yeah.
Well, we've also got the bigger mill.
I didn't even know this thing existed.
So like,
What?
a pretty big difference, right? Like, if you learn the little CNC, this is the exact same.
It literally.
If you have files that you want to do that are bigger, we can run them. That's not a problem. This is called an ER20, call it, because it's 20 millimeters wide. On the little weeding machine, shoot.
Yeah, and then you can hit power on.
It's like setting up the.
So that way,
Bring it this way.
X positive.
There you go.
And watch it.
I think the other way, my friend. Yes. That's it. That's the way. Yeah.
There's a really big problem going on here.
That's in there real good,
Yeah,
yeah.
nice.
Already it's going. There's nothing stopping you. No.
No! Alright.
Does that feel loose?
Collets, right? So remember that big four flute bit I was showing you guys? It is something like this. So then you just slide it in from the other side, flip it around, yeah. And then you basically just want to bring it up until the flutes are just sticking out.
You can probably keep going with your hand. Once it's like tight, once you can't tighten it anymore with your hand, then use the wrench. So you can do it now.
And then we usually say like, with the right hand, just gonna make it snug.
There you go, that's good.
Let's do it on this liability waiver.
I must get one.
It's from the company that's on the label.
On camera, right?
Oh my
Oh, you
god.
signed it.
You signed it.
You signed it. You're free of liability.
And what we'll see is our printer's going to home all of its axes. So right now it's doing our x-axis. And we're going to do the same thing. So do you want to go and try this one? You can tell me. Oh, wait. Undo that a little bit. You have to unlevel it and you're going to level it. So I'm going to move it down a little bit. So you should feel it's not catching anymore. And you're going to start twisting that knob up so it feels the same as what you felt when it did catch. Yeah, it's a little tight.
So this one has limit switches on each axis. It means that it's never going to try and move past the end of where it
Really
can
well
go.
trained. I gotta say, the dog.
This one does not, right? So it's up to me, the operator, to make sure that I don't come so far over that I'm bashing against the sides here. It's very straightforward.
Why?
Dang it, Benji. You're a monster.
No, don't expose me.
Now you see how it's different, like it moves the bed to move in the Y direction? So what Kyle was showing you, as it's doing that homing operation, it's resetting its zero. The way it's doing it is it's hitting those limit switches to know, okay, now I'm at home, I'm at the lower corner. But this doesn't have limit switches, so I need to tell it, you are home right now.
So go around once, go around twice, and then I do the test file, which I generally print once, which will get me the rest of the week. Actually, telling me things.
How?
Well, that I have gotten it closer to being better because it's starting to lay down lines.
Looky, learny.